Placental development begins at the blastocyst stage around day 5 after fertilization, when the embryo consists of an outer trophoblast layer, a fluid-filled blastocele, and an inner cell mass that forms the embryo proper. Upon reaching the uterus, the blastocyst attaches to the endometrial lining, and the trophoblast differentiates into two distinct layers. The inner cytotrophoblast, composed of mitotically active mononuclear cells, and the outer Syncytiotrophoblast, a multi-nucleated invasive layer lacking clear cell boundaries. The Syncytiotrophoblast secretes proteolytic enzymes that digest maternal endometrial tissue, allowing deep implantation and erosion of maternal spiral arteries. Within this expanding syncytial mass, small cavities called lacunae form and subsequently fill with maternal blood, establishing the primitive uteroplacental circulation. Meanwhile, cytotrophoblast cells proliferate and migrate outward to form primary chorionic villi, which consist of a cytotrophoblastic core covered by Syncytiotrophoblast. As extraembryonic mesoderm invades the core, these structures become secondary villi, and when fetal capillaries develop within the mesodermal core, they are termed tertiary chorionic villi, the functional units of the placenta. Maternal blood circulates through the intervillous spaces, bathing the chorionic villi, while fetal blood flows within capillaries inside the villi, allowing exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products across thin trophoblastic membranes without direct mixing of maternal and fetal blood. Some villi extend deeply into the decidua basalis as anchoring villi, stabilizing the placenta within the uterine wall. On the embryonic side, villi proliferate extensively to form the chorion frondosum, while villi on the opposite side regress to form the smooth chorion laeve. By the end of the first trimester, the placenta becomes a well-organized disc-shaped organ composed of fetal chorionic villi surrounded by maternal blood, functioning not only as an exchange organ but also as an endocrine gland producing hormones such as human chorionic gonadotropin, progesterone, and estrogen to maintain pregnancy.